Very good morning to all of you. Very warmly welcome all of you. So, in our last class, previous classes, we have started learning tense. We have seen many concept of simple present. Okay. Yesterday we were talking about present continuous tense. Okay. We have seen present, simple presents, all the concept. Okay. And its structure. Okay. So today's time to check simple present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. Let's talk about present continuous. Present continuous. Present continuous means flow, continuity, progress in present time. Okay, when we have flow, when our work is going on, when the actions are happening, when the actions are taking place in present time, it is known as present continuous. Okay, so in present continuous our action is in progress. Okay, and continuity, we have continuity in present continuous, like it is raining outside, like you were swimming, like I am going to ready, I am going to ready to go school, so like that. And you were studying. Okay, they were learning their homework, like that. So it is a flow, it is a continuity, it is a progress in present time. Okay, so it's present continuous. So first concept, what was the first concept? First concept was we show, okay, we show continuity, we show the work is going on. Okay, we show the flow in present continuous. Okay, next, if something, if we talk about the action that we cannot see at the time of happening. Okay, the action we cannot watch, the action that we cannot see at the time of happening, but the action is in progress, it is also a part of present continuous. How? Like if I'm giving you example, like example, your brother is doing an MBBS, your brother is doing an MBBS, but right now your brother uh, at your home. Okay, so it means at the time of happening we cannot judge the action, but the action is in progress. Means right now, if your brother is right now your brother at your home, but in reality he engaged right now, he is at home. Okay, but he involved in a flow, he had a flow. Okay, he had a flow, means he is doing an MBBS. Okay, so at the time of happening we cannot see the action, but the action is in flow. Okay, that is also present continuous. Okay, there is one more example. They are studying in foundation education, they are studying in foundation of education. Okay, so right now, if suppose today there is holiday and I tell, okay, right now you are here, but it doesn't mean that he or she is not in progress. Okay, he or she is in progress, but at the time of happening we cannot see or judge. Okay, so next concept, if we talk about next concept, so if something is pre-arranged for near future. Okay, the action that are pre-arranged for near future is also part of present continuous. Okay, and we show that action using going to. Okay, so again I am going to repeat. So if suppose, if you have event. Okay, if something event, if some event, okay, uh, is pre-arranged, okay, for near future. If you have pre-arranged something for near future, so you can use going to in present continuous. Means they are going to do their work, you are going to complete your assignment, she is going to accomplish her homework. Okay, like that. So it is also flow of, it is also a flow, it is also continuity. Okay, and it shows present continuous. Then the last concept, persistence, persistent, or persistence, or undesirable habits. Okay, persistence, persistent, or undesirable habits. And when you have given adverb. Okay, persistent or undesirable habit, and with it you have given what name, you have given adverb, like always, constantly, and continually. Okay, you can use present continuous. Always, she is always smiling, they are always laughing at us, we are constantly doing our work. we are constantly doing our work. Okay, they are continually staring at us. Okay, and she is continuously doing her homework. Okay, you are constantly accomplishing your project. Okay, so here you can use present continuous. You are always uh, running me down, like that. He is constantly gazing at me, like that. So it is also present continuous. So what is about the present continuous structure? Present continuous structure: subject plus is mr, v1 ing, object. I where to use is mr? So if you have subject I, can use am. If you have subject he, she, it, name singular, you can use is. If you have subject we, you, they, okay, we, you, they, so here you can use are. Is mr plus ing, subject plus is mr, v1 ing, object. Let's talk about present perfect. Present perfect means something you have completed recently. Okay, recently you have completed something. That thing is part of present perfect. Present perfect means your perfection. Means when you have done. Okay, means you had make fast something. Okay, means something is completed. So an action that has recently been completed, means recently been completed action. Okay, completed action recently. Like she has just taken her lunch. Okay, you have just taken your breakfast. Okay, he uh, he has completed his work. Okay, you have taken your meal, like that. Okay, so recently i have purchased I have purchased the book. Okay, so like that. He has come now. So something is completed recently. Okay, so completed action recently, we call it present perfect. Then number two, an action whose time is not given. An action whose time is not given. Okay, so suppose there is an action and whose time is not given. Have you done this? Have you done that? Okay, have you taken your meal? Have you read this book, like that? Next, past event whose effect still exists. Past event whose effect still exists. It means something happened in past. Like right now, I am teaching you tense. Why am you teaching tense? Because I have taught you chapters. Okay. So when I had taught you book, it was past event. But right now, the effect is still existing in present. Okay, so right now I am free to teach you tense because I have taught you chapters already. So past event, but whose past event, but whose effect is still existing in present. An action, okay, an action started in the past and running in present and will run in future also. So you can add present continuous, present perfect in that case. Okay, means the actions that started in the past and is still running in present and possible possibly to run in future also. Like I have already used this brand of soup. I have already used this brand of soap. I have already used means you have used something. Okay, you have used something. Okay, and right now, what is going on? You have used something, but right now also you are using, and you intend to use for future also. So something started in the past, running in present, and will run in future also. That thing also can call present perfect. Then to show how a past situation relate to the present. Okay, for showing how a past situation related to present. Okay, how a past situation related to present. So in this case, suppose if I am here, I have done my homework, so I am free for your help. Okay, if I come to you and if I offer helping you, okay, if I offer you for helping, so it means I have done my work, so I am ready to help you. Okay, so there is a sentence, I have done my homework, that's why I am free and I am ready to help for you. So it shows that it shows to show how a past situation, okay, relate to present. So next, and sometimes we show experience of past. At the time of showing experience of past means we have seen Manali 3 times. Okay, we have went there 5 times. Okay, we have gone there 5 times. We have seen Manali 3 times. Okay, we have gone to Manali 3 times or 2 times. Okay, so like that, like miss past experience. Okay, in at the time of telling about past experience, like dowry has taken lives of people. Dowry has taken lives of many. So here uh, you can use which tense, you can use present perfect. Okay, then action was going on in the past but is still going on. Okay, means here we can use since for, means action started in the past, running in present. Okay, and can run for future also. So action was going on in the past. Okay, and is still going on. Action was going on, action was going on in past and is still going on. like like I have, okay, I have lived here for 5 years. Okay, I have lived here for 5 years. So I started living in past and in present also I am living. Okay, so it shows something is going on, something was going on in the past but is still running in present. Okay, like she has known me, she has known me well for 3 years, she has known me well for 3 years. Okay, like that. And if we talk about the structure, so what is the structure of present perfect? Subject plus has have, v3 plus object. Subject plus has have, v3 plus object. Okay, in all the perfect tense we use third form of the verb. So then what happened? Then where to keep has, where to keep have. So if you have subject, if you have singular subject, he, she, it, name singular, so you can use has. And if you have plural subject, I, we, you, they, plural, so that time you will use have. Okay, for making negative, has not, have not. For making interrogative, keep has and have, keep has or have before subject. So you can make all the sentences of present perfect. We'll see remaining tense in next video. Thank you.